A very good evening to one and all. Esteemed guest of the day, Mr. K.M. Tommy, IPS, District Police Chief, Alappuzha, Reverend Sister Molly Anthony, the Provincial of St. Aloysius Congregation, Very Reverend Father Fernandez Kakasiril, the Procurator of Alappuzha Diocese, Mrs. Delima Jojo, Alappuzha Panchayat Vice President, Reverend Father Francis Kaidavalappil, Vicar St. John Maria Vianney Church, Mrs. Sudharma, President, Punnapura South Panchayat, Mrs. Mercy Aloysius, Panchayat Ward Member, Reverend Father Cyrus Katangathail, the Assistant Vicar, St. John Maria Vianney Church, Mr. Bobby George, PTA President, Mr. Shantakumar, PTA Vice President, PTA Executive Members, dear parents, friends, my colleagues, and my most beloved children. Today, St. Aloysius Senior Secondary School is celebrating its 27th annual day, and I take great pleasure welcoming all of you to this special occasion of the annual day. I, as principal of this institution, feel privileged to undertake the pleasant duty of presenting before you the many events and successful stories accomplished during the year 2019-20. The Pravesana Utsavam ceremonial inauguration was held on the 6th June 2019. The tiny tots of the KG session were welcomed by the manager, principal, and senior students. We are happy to share the glad news of our CBSE board AISSE examination results. We had a total of 81 students, and out of that, 65 students passed out with distinction, 16 students with first class with flying colors, and the school topper in the AISSE board examination is Kumari Nivedya S with 97.2% to her credit. Similarly, in the AISSE examination too, the results were absent. Out of 38 students, 17 students passed out with distinction, 19 students with first class, and 2 students with the second class. And the school topper in the AISSE board examination is Kumari Nandana Harikrishnan with 95% to her credit. We are extremely proud of their excellent performance and extend our hearty congratulations to them. The World Environment Day was observed in school on the 5th June 2019. The motto of the Environment Day is to make the earth a greener, fresher, purer place for humanity. The Forest Department distributed variety saplings to the students with the aim of making the world a greener and healthier place to live. The school witnessed another great initiative by the Eco Club under the leadership of Miss Sarida. The club members started vegetable garden and microgreen. The bio-organic farming initiative is inspiring and productive. Medicinal plants and rose garden was started by Heritage Club under great guidance of Miss Saji Felix. The ceremonial school blessing was held on the 10th June. Classrooms were blessed by Reverend Father Francis Kaidavalappil and Reverend Father Cyrus Katangathail. The election of the school council and house captains was conducted with a touch of authentic election system on the 11th June 2019. Master Amaldas of Standard Plus 2 was elected as the head boy of the school, and Kumari Nivedya S of Standard Plus 1 as the head girl of the school. Captains and the vice captains of the 4 houses, Einstein, Kalam, Mother Teresa, and Tagore, were also elected simultaneously. Investiture ceremony was held on the 14th of June 2019. It entrusted responsibility into the minds of young leaders Miss Sarida, Miss Saji, Miss Mala, and Miss Shirley were also elected as house in charge teachers. Being Father's Day on 14th June, we had a card making competition and presented to their beloved fathers. It was very much touching. Reading is dreaming with open eyes. To install the habit of reading, Reading Day was conducted on 19th June 2019. We celebrated the St. Aloysius feast on 20th June. Holy Mass was solemnized by Reverend Father Francis Kaidavalappil. He had given an inspiring message, followed by colorful programs were presented by our students. Anti-World Drugs Day was conducted on 26th June. Seminar was given by Punnapara SI Sri Srijit Sir. Open Day for all the units, periodic tests and terms from KG to Standard Plus 2 are conducted as usual, with parenting solutions and counseling classes are regularly organized and professional counselors are visited for the same. Merit Day. The Merit Day was held on 20th July 2019. It was an auspicious day inaugurated by our chief guest, Sri Nirmal Ausippachan, IAS. He gave us a valuable speech on the importance of education as part of life. The Independence Day was celebrated with great honor and patriotism. Teachers' Day is the day when the teachers are appreciated and acknowledged by the students. By celebrating Teachers' Day on the 5th September 2019, the students of St. Aloysius Senior Secondary School, Punnapara, also showed their love and gratitude towards their beloved teachers by presenting them with flowers and gifts. Teacher Sports was also held on the same day. The most attractive and interesting event was Tug of War. Charity. Helping hand is a blessing hand. As a part of Onam celebration, on 6th September, classes 10 and plus 2 students visited the aged home for ladies at Kalavur Mariadam, mentally retired home for gents at Marian Divyakarunya Alayam at Vanasogam and Maria Bhavan at Punnapara, given them food items in the presence of their teachers. Onam celebration. Onam, the traditional harvest festival of Kerala, was celebrated on the 7th September 2019. It was celebrated with a glimpse of nostalgic traditions that our ancestors followed. Variety competitions were conducted on that day. Children helped the cancer patients and poor with cash and kind on that day. Basketball tournament was held on 20th September 2019 for boys and girls was conducted in this academic year. It was inaugurated by Reverend Father Cyrus Katangathayil. The four houses competed against each other. A newly formed girls basketball team warmed up for the first time in their first match in our school. Exhibition was held on 27 September 2019 by Eco Club in order to help reduce the waste by practicing the 3 R's: reduce, reuse and recycle. And it was inaugurated by Reverend Sister Mercy Abraham, the counselor of St. Aloysius congregation. On 27 September was observed as Clean and Green India. Classes 8 and 12 cleansed the premises of the school. Science quiz was held on October 4, 2019 by the leadership of Miss Shirley Benny. Right Reverend Dr. Stephen Attipuril. Jubilee celebration was on 6 October at Mount Carmel Auditorium, Alappuzha. St. Aloysius Senior Secondary School students invoked the presence of God in the form of prayer dance. Food Fest was conducted in 16 October 2019 by Heritage Club under the leadership of Miss Saji Felix. It was inaugurated by Reverend Sister Mary Matthew, the manager of St. Aloysius Senior Secondary School. Dental awareness class was held on 17 October 2019 by Dr. Rekshma Krishna from TD Medical College, and it arranged by Health Club under the leadership of Miss Mala. A tour for class 10th and plus 2 was conducted on 18 October 2019 to Coorg and Chikmagalur. All the students enjoyed every moment of it till the end. Football tournament was held on 25th October 2019. The four houses competed against each other. One of the most prestigious contests, Malayali Manga competition, was conducted on 1st November 2019 to identify the female touches carrying the best of tradition and culture of Kerala. Book exhibition was held on 11th November at school auditorium. Children's Day was conducted with great enthusiasm on 14th November to commemorate the birth anniversary of our beloved Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The enchanting performance of Miss Serene and Miss Gina made the day vivid. Kinderfest on 18th November 2019. Kinderfest was organized to mark the annual day celebrations of KG to second classes. The little ones performed so well that it was feast for everyone's eyes. It was an auspicious day inaugurated by Reverend Mother Angela Lano, the Vice Mother General of St. Aloysius Congregation. Reverend Sister Molly Anthony, Reverend Father Cyrus Katangathayil, and Mr. Anu Pala, the cine artist, were the guests of the day. The prize day was also the same day. A tour for classes 6 to 9th and plus 1 was conducted on 28th November 2019 to Wonderla. All the students enjoyed every moment of it till the end. Christmas, the festival of love, peace, sharing and hope, was celebrated on 23rd of December 2019. Reverend Father Sebastian Judo inaugurated the celebration. Various houseways competitions were there in connection with the Christmas. Star making competition, Santa competition, carol singing competition. Christmas trees were decorated with ornaments that are hung on Christmas tree like shining stars, silver bells, Santa and gifts, etc. Santa danced merrily with children on the stage. Christmas cakes and gifts were distributed to the students. Skit and dance performance were also there. A class-wise Christmas celebration was organized and students brought gifts for their Christmas friend. Our school is foremost in giving charity to the poor and needy as a part of their celebration. Students have the opportunity to exhibit their variety academic talents in the form of models, projects, craft works, drawing, painting, experiments, etc. The competitive examinations are a regular feature for the students of our school who have been awarded cash prize, medals and certificates. Our day starts with breathing exercise, aerobics and yoga classes also conducted by Miss Lakshmi. Alappuzha Sahodaya Kids Fest, our students and teachers shined well. Overall championship was secured by St. Aloysius Senior Secondary School, Punappara. Our students did great job in Alappuzha Sahodaya District Athletic Meet 2019. Atul Krishna, 8th B, got individual champion in under 14 category. Basketball tournament for boys and girls separately, we got 3rd position and our school received 2nd runner-up championship trophy. In the district level March Fast, we received 2nd position. School received the 1st runner-up championship trophy. In the state level Koenji Karate Championship 2019, winner was St. Aloysius Senior Secondary School. We received winner championship trophy. In conclusion of the annual report of this year, I humbly bow my head before God Almighty to have showered upon us His abundant blessing. I take this opportunity to express my deep sense of gratitude to our provincial Reverend Sister Molly Anthony and counselors, Reverend Sister Mary Matthew, the manager, and all the members of my community for their steady, ongoing support. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to Mr. Bobby George, the PTA President, Mr. Shantakumar, the PTA Vice President, and all the PTA executive members for their continued support and cooperation that enabled us to move forward with confidence. I also extend my sincere thanks to all the staff, teaching and non-teaching, for their dedicated service, which is the key to all our success and achievements. Last but not the least, my dear children, without you, nothing would have been possible. Let me conclude my report by entrusting our school into the divine hands of Saint Aloysius, our patron, Venerable Don Rubino, our founder, and invoke their prayers and blessings for the journey ahead. Thank you very much.